What's going on, guys? Taylor Cacchiola from Namra Consulting Group. Today, I want to talk a little bit about maybe the most misused term on Facebook or within business circles, marketing circles, the term ClickFunnel and sales funnel. Okay, let's get started by saying ClickFunnel is not a thing. It's not a marketing term. ClickFunnels is a proper noun. It's a website. It's the name of a company. It's Russell Brunson's company, not Russell Branson, Russell Brunson, the YouTuber. ClickFunnels.com, more specifically, is a software website building company that is specifically designed for marketers and companies to build out squeeze pages and what they call ClickFunnels so that you can drive people from a particular social media or digital ad and convert them into a high-yielding customer. A sales funnel is something totally different. That is an actual marketing term, still a buzzword, but a sales funnel is what most people are actually asking about or inquiring for someone like myself, my company, to build out, as opposed to ClickFunnels. There are lots of different websites like ClickFunnels. It's actually just an ordinary website building site like WordPress, but they're specifically for landing pages on ads, so they have lots of fancy bells and whistles that really work well. Sales funnel is a marketing term for driving attention and traffic and retargeting that traffic all the way down into an actual conversion or an actual sale. Okay, so now you know the difference between ClickFunnels and a sales funnel. I hope that's helpful. Two buzzwords, two different things, very different meanings when you're actually having a marketing conversation. So again, I'm Taylor Cacchiola from Namra Consulting Group. If you need help on this or anything else, social media, digital marketing related, please let me know.